Wait.
Oh. Oh, you have your new card. What is it? Ooh, Barnyard Pals, Molly. Barnyard Pals. Molly, look at the pig.
Oh,
Cadence, look at that. Rooster.
Yeah.
She's sharing.
You need 3 batteries.
3 batteries.
C.
Oh, see.
3 C.
Oh. Your new shoes.
Screwed in.
See your new little shoes? See your little shoes? See the little shoes? Yay, shoes! You like your little shoes? Molly, can you say ball?
Oh no.
Molly, look. What's that? What's that? Ball. What's this, Molly? A ball is right.
All those balls.
Look at this, Molly.
Oh my gosh.
Till she decides she doesn't like balls.
Yeah. She's like, okay, too many. Look at all those balls. A ball. Look at that. Your basketball and your first soccer ball.
She's gonna want to be a wrestler.
And she's gonna got an orange and black ball.
Yeah, Huron colors, huh?
Yay!
Soccer ball.
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Yay!
Let me see that.
Look at this one's from Great Grandma Burcell. Cadence, want to help unwrap? Yeah, get it, Molly. Help unwrap. You want to grab that and tear? There you go.
See, now I get mad at her at Christmas time when she did that. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, look at the big bunny! Look at that big bunny!
Yay! Like the paper.
Yeah.
It's like the
Molly.
So much stuff.
Molly.
Oh. Molly!
Molly.
Where's the ball?
Molly.
Cadence is looking.
Yeah, he is.
Oh. Open your present. There you go. Open the present. There you go. Yay! Ooh! Here, should we take this off and see what it is? A Jungle Band giraffe guitar! Oh my gosh! Look at that!
Jungle Band.
Giraffe. Oh!
Jungle Giraffe Band.
Hey, I gotta get the picture. Quiet.
She's trying to take it away from the baby.
You still candy full of baby?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Oh!
Oh man, this is heavy.
Spencer, if you don't want it, Spencer wants it.
Oh, I'm sure he does.
Did you pick it out? Just for you?
He wanted one?
He's like, what?
That's not what it is, actually, inside.
Oh,
It's a blanket.
Roomba vacuum
Oh,
cleaner.
robot cleaner?
Robot to
You know,
be
that's just exactly what I was hoping I'd get.
an iRobot. Now you can clean.
Wow.
All on your own.
Thank you, honey.
I thought it was a like an
I
iRobot.
would have never guessed that
Make
you
sure
would
you
buy
do
this
the
for
carpet
me.
twice.
I'm just so speechless.
It's very high tech.
Oh, hey, RC batteries. I got RC batteries. Oh, wow.
What's up, Molly? Where'd it go? Let's go see. Kitty's chasing it. It's the robot vacuum cleaner. Molly, let's go see what it is. Is it hard crawling with the dress? Here. You look like a little doll. Where'd it go?